Hello everyone. So today we're gonna deploy one XGBoost model. We're gonna train it using this article over internet, which is deploy a local trained ML model in cloud using AWS SageMaker. So we will gonna follow this script and we'll gonna train this XGBoost model 0.90 version, and we will gonna query it through this API gateway using Postman. So let's get started. So I'll follow the script. If you're following along with me, make sure you're on the same page and open this from the Google. So yeah, it shows a couple of repositories. Let me show it to you. So first we will be following this creation Python notebook, then deployment, and then I'll show you like how to complete it. So let's get started. I have opened my AWS console. So let me go to this SageMaker. I'll create one folder called Iris demo. I will upload one file which is already there in my desktop. I've downloaded it locally using GitHub desktop. So let me go to documents, GitHub, AWS, and then this one creation. I'll open it. If you guys are following along with me, uh, make sure you set all these parameters correctly as I mentioned over here. So okay, might be it has deployed one MLT3 instance, yes. So yeah, let's get started. We have to run one by one each cell. This might fail. Okay, yeah. As it is expected, like it says, like module is not there. So we have to install this module first, and then we will be able to execute this cell. So let me copy and paste it in Google. And in Stack Overflow it says we need to install the XGBoost, which is actually expected. So let me add a cell above, and then the model, the XGBoost version should be 0.90. This is important actually because we are using this XGBoost model, otherwise it will gonna fail. Yep, it is able to identify the version. It has downloaded and now it is installing. It's done. So let's try again. This time it is successful. So let's follow the script straightforward. Okay. It has created two things. One is CSV file and the module, which we were expecting actually. The next thing is we have to upload the deployment script as well. So this time I will be uploading the deployment script and I will be executing that script. You can also follow along with me. So let's get started. We have to follow the script till the end, till the time you see all these things predictions. So let's get started one by one. Okay. So this step may take some time. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. So what I will do, I'll just pause this video, reduce the length and size of the video. Once it is completed, I will be back. So my installation part is completed. So let's follow the script. So this cell will gonna create the endpoint which we're gonna see over here. So if I go to inference endpoint, you will see one is in creation. So let me delete the older one. I can delete it. This is the older one which I will gonna delete. Okay. And there is one more endpoint configuration which was created earlier, which is on 27, which is yesterday. So I'm gonna delete this one as well to avoid unnecessary confusion. Okay, let's see if it is gone. So the new endpoint is being created. It may take some time. The status you can see it is creating, which is triggered by this then. So I'll pause this video and show you once it is ready. So endpoint creation is successful. We can go back to inference endpoints, and you can see that the status is in service. So earlier it was creating. Now it is has been created successfully. So let's follow the script further. So you see this time you see like all the prediction correctly. We will not gonna delete the resources for now till the time we complete our limit. Then we'll come here and we'll delete the resources. So what's next? So let me follow the documentation. The documentation says we have to go to we have to follow this architecture. First we have to create the role and policy. I hope the roles and policies are already there. Let me check. Yeah. Let me go to roles. Yes, I have created the rules and policies earlier. If you want to see like how I have created these rules and policy, it is easy actually. You can follow the documentation, you can get it. But still, if you want to see, you can check my earlier video where I have attempt to create this rules and policy. So now we'll move forward. We have to create the lambda function and paste this code to lambda. So let me head towards the lambda. Create function my log log أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله deploy the button أشهد أن محمد رسول الله أشهد أن محمد رسول الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله لا حول ولا قوة الله أكبر اللهم رب هذه الدعوة التامة والصلاة والسلام जी हेलो Okay, so let's move forward. So it says like now we have created Lambda function. We have to go to API gateway and create the REST API. So let's head towards API gateway. G, this is my son. G, REST API. API name. You can say my API, and it should be regional. That's fine. So once this API is created, then the next is create the resource, then create the method. Okay, and then deploy. So let's create the resource first. Action, create resource. Resource name should be, it's given somewhere here. Create resource. Resource name is iris prediction. You can give this name. Make a note of it because we will need this later. So iris prediction, create resource. Okay, and then create method. So I'll go ahead and create the method. Create method. It is the post method. Lambda function name we have to mention, which is nothing but my lambda. What was that? My function. My functions. Okay, it is my function, not my lambda. So you have to be careful while stages resources. So the next thing is creating deploying the API. So let me go ahead and deploy API. It should be new. Name can be anything like test. Deploy. So ECP. It has been deployed. So you have to make sure like you copy and store this URL somewhere. So I just copied it, pasted, slash, and our resource name. Okay. I will copy this and I will open Postman. Here it is. New session, post method, test, body, row, and we'll copy paste this thing. No, let me send this. Let's see what happens. You see, the output is there. So we have completed this demo successfully, and we are supposed to see this output over here. So which is we are getting. So this demo is actually successful, and we are able to successfully deploy this, follow this script. So the last thing which is remaining in this step is actually destroying the deleting the resources. So I'll run this. All the resources will be deleted. So I'll do one thing. I'll stop all the applications. I'll stop the kernels as well. Okay, everything is gone, and I will delete the endpoints if it has not been deleted. So it's deleted. Let me delete it. Okay. Clean and tidy. And APIs also, like there should not be any APIs. And let me go to functions. Functions, and we have to delete this function as well to avoid unnecessary cost. Okay, clean and tidy again. You can delete the IAM role as well, but it's up to you. Like, I don't think so. It will cost much. Okay, so that concludes our session. Feel free to comment and share your feedback. I'll upload this video shortly.